The Logitech Pop Icon Combo is a stylish and functional wireless keyboard and mouse set designed to add a touch of personality to your workspace. Available in vibrant color schemes such as Daydream, Mint, Lilac, and Yellow, Blast, Black, Gray, and Yellow, and Heartbreaker, Neon Coral and Raspberry Red, this combo offers both aesthetic appeal and practical features. Design and build. Both the keyboard and mouse feature a minimalist design with contoured shapes, ensuring comfort during extended use. The keyboard's slim profile and quiet, low-profile keys provide a comfortable typing experience, while the mouse's ergonomic design offers intuitive controls. Performance. Keyboard. The keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with quiet, low-profile keys. It includes 15 customizable keys, allowing users to assign shortcuts or emojis for quick access. Mouse. The mouse features a customizable button that can be assigned to frequently used actions or emojis. Its slim, quiet, and portable design makes it suitable for various tasks. Battery life. The keyboard boasts an impressive battery life of up to 36 months, while the mouse offers up to 24 months of use on a single set of batteries, reducing the frequency of replacements. Overall, the Logitech Pop Icon Combo offers a blend of style, functionality, and customization, making it a compelling choice for users looking to personalize their workspace without compromising on performance. Its ergonomic design, customizable features, and long battery life make it suitable for both casual and professional use. Thank you so much.